Really getting the ends closed in today.
Serby, where you at? Right here.
Be on good behavior, Bill. You're on camera.
Now, you are pushing for a miracle. Oh yeah, that's not close. What? Guys, these measurements are sort of really important. Like about a half inch. Really? Somebody else must have it. Imagine that, huh? My speed square. Oh, that's a little better. That's what we want. Who has the brown chocolate? It's red. You gotta reach off.
That seems.
Oh, there's nothing to know.
That seems
Too long. I think it's too long. You told us it was fine. All right. Once you get that, reach off, get that thing up there. Oops, you can't do both, huh? Just hold it for a second. Let me take a look at it.
We don't need to get moving.
Okay.
I gotta give me a share of too.
I thought it was only fair. She told me to film.
Yeah, actually, I didn't the bottom one. 11 foot. I think that's it. Okay, come on, tighten it up. Yeah, go for it. Oh, I think I got him. No, it's just like, look at that one. We can see that one, boss. You can't blow. You know that's going to happen the first 5 minutes. It's not as big as scary it is. Anthony. What? Marcus. Tell you what, grab a scrap, just nail it straight back to your. If you go and put two of them together, put two of them together. Yeah, right on the face on the other side, right? Well, that's where you want for that piece over there.
Here, I have that. I'm strong to that.
There you go.
It's not as thick as I think.
Yeah, just come with the saw. I know you want to, but don't rub your jugular vein across there.
Taking time away from you.
Do you feel the love for me? Yeah. Do you feel that love for me? They don't care about my sensitive feelings. They're taking it.
You gotta pull it tight though, so it stays in the top. Nope, stop the top right in the middle, it's sagging.
That's right, you get up when you get down there. Just start getting nail on your chalk line there.
I can't do this.
Looks alright.
Does that have voice too, or just video?
Yeah, it records us. That's why I told him to be on good behavior.
You forgot the J channel.
Oh, we did.
J channel goes underneath that.
They sound like they're having fun anyway.
Need something for your side to go into? Alright? No, it's just sissies nailing.
You're sissy.
What?
I only went for
What? Check this. Yeah. What's up, Jake? You should have got that on camera.
Don't worry, I think I did.
Okay, you ready?
Did you get the ball
Right up there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Nick, how's this go up? Like that. Does it? Or does this then go way down here like this? Try it again, buddy. Bring it on there.
Mr. Mapes.
Yeah, but we'll never know. Dig it. Pick it out.
I'm not reaching on out there for that one.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Sissy.
Yo, Nick, why don't you come up here? Alright. How are we supposed to get down there?
Might want to get out and get my shot and get a belt sander starting with that. There goes that.
All right, you think that's good?
I think that's probably good.
Okay.
Thanks.